Olivia loved her grandmother's garden, where colorful flowers bloomed all year round. One spring, a storm destroyed the garden, leaving it in ruins. Determined to bring back its beauty, Olivia spent days planting new seeds and nurturing the soil. As she worked tirelessly under the sun, Olivia's patience and perseverance paid off. The garden began to thrive once more. Through her hard work and love for gardening, Olivia not only restored the garden, but also inspired her neighbors to start their own gardens. By the end of the season, Olivia's determination and love for nature turned a stormy setback into a beautiful community garden for everyone to enjoy. Comprehension questions. What does Olivia love about her grandmother's garden at the beginning of the story? Olivia loves the colorful flowers that bloom all year round in her grandmother's garden. What happens to the garden after the spring storm? The garden is destroyed and left in ruins by the spring storm. How does Olivia restore the garden's beauty? Olivia spends days planting new seeds and nurturing the soil to bring back the garden's beauty. You can get a physical copy of the story for additional practice. Please see the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss. What are the character traits, and how do they develop throughout the text? I'll see you next time.